So guys, next open any browser and type search to Google search of Lenovo ThinkPad L13 Yoga. So right click to go to new tab, otherwise you just click it, which is official website pcsupport.lenovo.com. And if guys it is not showing and another showing the laptop, so no worry, you just enter the serial number. Okay, and then click to search this search key. After that this is automatic, so if you have update automatic, so just click to scan and require driver to install it. If you have to install the separate driver, you just click to select driver of the manual features. Okay, and then you can see this is first audio, smart audio tools. We required audio driver. Okay, this is also USB smart. So you can see this audio driver, click to download. This is AXE, just click to open, then yes, the next, I accept, the next, install, select install, okay, and finish it. Then restart your system.